Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Steampunk Lab. Today, we're going to be working on this beautiful 57 Chevy. So this remote control model is about 12 inches in length and is very detailed. But it is remote control, not radio control. You can see the cord back here. It's got some great detail, especially inside of the cab. Some great dash work in there. Working headlights. Really detailed chrome work. But today we're going to be converting this over to radio control. So right now the steering and throttle are driven by motors. So there's no precise action. With servos, we can solve a lot of that. Start by removing this front motor assembly and see what we need to do to convert this to servo. Oh yeah, I can see a screw drive in there. It helps to turn this mechanism. Oh yeah, we should be able to get a servo in there. I used a lot of these. It's an aluminum CNC part. I think I've got this figured out where this will slide right into the steering mechanism. And yeah, be able to pivot. Then we'll drop a 9-gram servo somewhere in here. Connect this up, and we'll have our pivot point. Here are some of the electronics we'll be using: the spectrum, receiver, transmitter, 3 channels.
Thanks for watching. Shout out to my buddy Wyatt at North State Scale Modelers for letting me borrow this beautiful 1957 Chevy model.
Mm-hmm.